You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary that many get wrong and mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel and become part of the community. In British English it is said as lettuce. Stress on the first syllable, lettuce. In American English, however, it's generally said, pronounced as lettuce, lettuce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.